Good morning. I am Harshit, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 and Z Flip6 elevate Galaxy AI to new heights. Spotify is no longer just a streaming app, it's a social network. Reliance Jio launches affordable Apple AirTag alternative JioTag Air at Rs 1499. Instagram is sticking to short videos, says Adam Mosseri. Nvidia shares soar as NASDAQ and S&P 500 close at all-time high. Microsoft, Apple also log gains. Google Maps will now tell iPhone users if they are driving over the speed limit. Microsoft ditches OpenAI board observer seat amid regulatory scrutiny, and more. Samsung Electronics has unveiled the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold6 and Galaxy Z Flip6 at the Galaxy Unpacked event in Paris. Alongside these innovative foldable devices, Samsung also introduced the Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, further expanding the Galaxy ecosystem. The new Galaxy Z series is the slimmest and lightest foldable lineup yet, making it highly portable and easy to handle. The device features a perfectly symmetrical design with straight edges, providing a sleek and aesthetically pleasing finish. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 offers a new cover screen ratio that provides a more natural bar-type viewing experience. Engineered for greater durability, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 feature a dual rail hinge structure supported by a strengthened foldable edge, which help distribute the shock of external impacts. Enhanced layers on the main screen improve the crease while maintaining its strength. The devices are equipped with Armor Aluminium and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 23, making them the most durable Galaxy Z series phones yet. Note Assist in Samsung Notes. This feature offers translation, summarizes, and auto formatting for easy and efficient meeting notes. Users can transcribe, translate, and summarize voice recordings directly in Samsung Notes. Next up, we have Spotify has launched comments on podcast, enhancing its social networking capabilities. Podcasters can now interact with listeners through comments, polls, and question and answers. Introduced a TikTok like discovery feed. Artists can promote merchandise and concert tickets and post to stories. The question arises whether Spotify will extend comments to music artist page. Spotify VP of Podcast Product Maya Prohovnik suggested potential for comments on other formats but emphasized doing what's right for the format. Apple had previously tried to build social networks with Ping and Connect, both of which were unsuccessful. Reliance Jio introduced the JioTag Air BLE Tracker F11X, priced at Rs 1499. The JioTag Air is positioned as a budget-friendly alternative to Apple's AirTags, which are priced around Rs 3490. This second-generation JioTag Air is compatible with both the Apple Find My network and the JioThings app on Android. The device is designed to help users keep track of items such as keys, wallets, and pads. Enhanced compatibility with Apple Find My network provides better global coverage. Users can attach the JioTag Air to various items prone to misplacement. Features a 120 decibel sound alert for easy locating of nearby items. Uses Bluetooth V5.3 for seamless connectivity. Instagram will continue to focus on short-form video content. Long-form videos could undermine Instagram's core identity of connecting people with friends. Instagram had previously tried to promote longer videos with IGTV, which was later shut down. Instagram helps users connect with friends primarily through short videos. Short-form videos are more likely to be shared among friends, fostering interaction. Longer videos could lead to less interaction with friends and reduce content. Instagram will continue. S&P 500 and NASDAQ Composite closed at record high on Wednesday, 10 July. Mega cap stocks including Nvidia were major market movers. AI chipmaker Nvidia rose by 2.69%, crossed the 5,600 mark for the first time ever, closing at 5,633.91. up 1.2%, closed 1.18% higher at 18,647.45, marking the 7th consecutive day of rally. S&P 500 is up 18% and NASDAQ has jumped 24%. The surge was linked to Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's indication of an interest rate cut. Following Powell's comments, the probability of a 25 basis points cut increased to 74% from 70%. Google Maps is introducing a speedometer and speed limit indicators for iPhone and Apple CarPlay users. This feature was first introduced on Android in 2019. Displays vehicle speed in the bottom left corner of the screen while navigating. Shows the speed limit of the current road, helping drivers avoid speeding fines. The speedometer changes the bright red if the driver exceeds the speed limit. Users can enable these features by navigating to Settings, Navigation, Map Display, and toggling Show Speed Limits and Show Speedometer on or off. The feature is gradually rolling out and may take a few days to be available to all iPhone users. At last, Microsoft has given up its board observer seat at OpenAI. The seat had drawn scrutiny from antitrust watchdogs in Europe, Britain, and the US. Microsoft took a non-voting observer position on OpenAI's board in November last year, allowed Microsoft to attend board meetings and access confidential information without voting rights. Microsoft has invested more than $10 billion in OpenAI. Watchdogs are uneasy about Microsoft's influence over OpenAI and the latter independence, cited significant progress by OpenAI's newly formed board and its growing customer base as reasons for relinquishing the seat. This is Harshit Mathur signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for all your tech updates.